So before we go back to Johor Bahru, our last attraction to visit is the Telaga Tujuh, or the Seven Wells. It's a waterfall actually. So they have replica of the wells, 7 over here and 7 over here. Right, so let's see the map. So you have to climb from there right up to there, which is they say that it's gonna take around 45 minutes to 1 hour with 900 steps of stairs. Crazy. Oh, they also have Grab here. All right, okay, let's go in because we're gonna have to chase our flight too. Let's buy the tickets. So before we embark on our journey climbing the stairs, that it's wise to go to the gents first before anything happens, right? Let's go, guys. Yeah, just to show you how the stairs looks like, some of among the 900 steps of the stairs that you have to climb this way. They also have a road there if you wish to drive your car, but I'm pretty sure the family normal car will not be able to climb that. You need a 4-wheel drive or maybe an ATV, which actually you have to maybe change your clutch plate after a few months of climbing this part because it's very, very steep.
Badan bau penuh.
Tadi ada baju spare standby dalam beg. Itulah pagi ni insyaAllah kita masuk. Jangan langkahkan tu lah. Saya lalu sebelah kiri atau lalu sebelah kanan. Serentak.
Dah ambil apa dah?
Jalan. Mesti nak juga tu. So in the middle of our trip, right, don't worry, they also have toilets, washrooms, and also directions. Trail 700, 7 wells, toilet, range office. So this way to the waterfall, this way to the Telaga Tujuh. Let's go. The trees that you should take note of, these are the local native trees. The meaning of forest. Okay. So distances 367 steps. Okay, not much. So I guess the 900 steps is a myth, or probably up and down both ways. 900 steps makes sense because definitely it didn't take us 45 minutes to climb up there to the top. We have sittings in the middle of our trip, so our trail, so it's conveniently, if you feel tired, out of breath, just have a seat over here. Just that, of course, it's a rainforest, all the seats are wet. Oh, be careful of the railings, yeah. It's like wobbly. Let's go. I hope that this will be the steepest part of the steps. See? So if it goes any steeper than this, the struggle is real. Okay, so after about 25 minutes of hiking, we have reached this spot, which has some warnings about debris, water flows that brings debris along with it. Have more toilets, prayer rooms, trail if you wish to go much higher. There's a trail there, and camping site. And oh, we have another washroom over here. Oh, we're here. We are practically here at the Seven Wells Waterfalls, Telaga Tujuh Waterfalls. Yay! Success! So this is the source of the water coming in to fill up all of these 7 wells. Yeah.
Ồ, không phải có đây. Đây là đây là ada hantar je nak kena ke depan tu.
Alright. Okay. This is the perfect spot to watch all elements of Pulau Langkawi. We have the hills, mountains, which created the waterfalls, and then we have the beach, beautiful beaches, and down there you can see some brown roof there. That is the Berjaya Resort, and man-made amusement or entertainment or leisure cable cars. The cable cars of Gunung Macincang, Pulau Langkawi. Feast your eyes on that. That's another attraction which is called the Sky Bridge, which we cannot see from here. Probably once you've reached the top there, and then you can go to the skywalk that I was mentioning just now. I wonder what is that? The brown tower there looks like a mini cable car tower. Jangan tak naik. Kat sini ambil gambar. So peeping over on our right is the station for the cable cars, which protrudes a little bit from the edge of the mountain there, covered in fogs. I've seen the Sky Bridge is over there. Right, at the station of the cable cars, right next to it is a skywalk, the new skywalk. It has mirror floorings glass flooring, so it takes some guts to be walking along those glass floors. Maybe next time, yeah, next time. All right, so now we are descending down, and going down will be much easier because we have gravity on our side. We just need to control our direction, that's all. Let's go. Oh, got all sweaty. Got to wash off. Yeah. Ooh. Even the water from the taps in their restrooms are cold. I think these waters are from the waterfalls up there. They just filter it down, maybe do a little bit of treatments, and they pump it down. I mean, they just let it flow, right? It's downhill to be used in their washrooms. But nothing flowing up, right? Oh, I think it's limited. It's okay. It's good enough. So for the records, it took us 30 minutes to walk up there in a comfortable pace, just taking it slow, and then it took us 20 minutes to get down. Not so bad. Alright, let's go to our next spot in our trip to Langkawi. Bye bye, Telaga Tujuh.